Okay. Guys, don't mind me. I'm just practicing TikTok. That's all. Um, yeah, so welcome back to the channel. If you are new, my name is Ertris. Thanks so much for being here. You guys are awesome. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys what I used to wash my hair. And yeah, so it's actually my wash day today. And I'm going to also try a new curling product in my hair. So stay tuned for that. So yeah, let's get into the video. So this is what my typical wash day routine looks like with Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil, strengthen and restore shampoo and conditioner. And I also use the leave-in conditioner. I mean, these products are amazing. So without further ado, let's get washing. So I'm going to begin with the shampoo. So yeah, this is what the shampoo looks like. So yeah. So I'm going to go in a second time with the shampoo. I mean, guys, I have to make sure I scrub my hair really well to get rid of those build-up products from my hair. I mean, I use a lot of products in my hair, so I have to ensure my hair is well clean. Okay? So now I'm going to condition my hair, and let me just say it moisturizes my hair so well. I mean, I love it. So I'm just taking my white tooth comb to detangle my hair just to get rid of the tangles and shed hairs. So yeah. So now I'm going to apply the leave-in conditioner in my hair, and let me just say this is also amazing. I love this product. You know, after leaving this in my hair feels so smooth, so soft, super moisturized, and it also controls my frizz. Like, this is the best. So I'm going to try the Shea Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus Curling Gel in my hair for the very first time. So, you know, I'm always excited when it comes to trying new products in my hair. You know, I just love me some good curls. That's all. So this is how the product is looking in my hair after I apply it onto my wet hair. To be honest, guys, I'm actually pleased with the results. You know, I'm literally pleased. I'm so happy right now. So I'm going to dry it and show you guys how my hair looks after it dry. So this is how my hair is looking after my hair is dry. I mean, my hair feels so moisturized, so smooth, so soft, and the sheen is amazing. But let's talk about the curls. Look at those curls. I mean, they are so gorgeous. I am so obsessed, to be honest. I am so obsessed. Look at that. I have to zoom up and show you the curls. Like, look at those curls. This product is awesome. I love it. So with that being said, if you guys haven't yet subscribed to the channel, go ahead and subscribe, like, and share. Until then, walk good, take care, big up on yourself. I'll see you guys on my next upload. Bye.